Hello guys, what's up? Good day, good morning, good evening everyone. Welcome back right here. It's a busy day. I'm working in my classic body Silverado. I'm prepping everything here, prepping to sandblast this thing. As you can see there, it's very rusty. The floor is gone, so I need to replace that floor. So I have the floor here, the replacement. I ground it already. Look at that, it's clean. So I took this apart from the other vehicle. I'll show you here. I cut it down through the driver's side floor panel here. As you can see guys, too rusty there. See? So that's how you do it. I need to replace because it's pretty rusty down here. There's a whole big hole here, so I cut it down until the edge there. As you can see, rotten there. But the frame is still solid, very solid frame. That's what we need. So you don't need to worry about breaking this thing. So the frames are solid. So we're gonna blast this thing area here. This is the only the mounting side that rusted down, but we can fix that. Blast the thing, clean it good, and put an anti-rust after, and put a fluid film, and it will not rust again. Protect that thing for rusting. So still very solid, as you can see. Solid metal there. Just the upper one. Put this thing on the like that. See, fits really good. So lots of modification right here. It's pretty. It fits really good down there. So you need to cut it down like that. First, you have to put a nice line there and cut it down with the zip cut. And yeah, we're gonna glue it and weld everything, so it's gonna be solid part of the floor pan. And then we're gonna treat that with anti-rust after, and we're gonna put some seam sealer. Then we're gonna when we finish sandblasting this thing, I'm going to sand everything here and prime it with a good primer and paint it after. So gonna be a new paint after, guys. So that's the classic Silverado, guys. It's very big job. So if you don't have a patience with this job, you can't do this thing. Right on. It's gonna be a fully loaded truck after. So I'm going to put a different seats in this, a leather seats, heated, and yeah, it's gonna be a nice truck, looking truck after. Gonna be a fully loaded truck. Look at that, lots of prepping. So how many materials in that thing? That's tape there, lots of taping, and those are not cheap. They're very expensive now. So grinders, all that stuff. So yeah, building this thing is not cheap anymore. So in order to make your truck looking nice with this legendary truck, they are very reliable compared to the new ones. New ones are crappy thing. They are easily, to break down on the road. This one, you can't break this easily. They're built to last in the 90s, middle of the 2000s. The classic body one, 99 to 2007. They're very good truck. That's what you need right there. The HD version. Solid and bulletproof, reliable. Right on. Let's gonna do this thing. And we're gonna make it happen today. Of course, we're going to weld that after sandblasting, glue it and weld it. All right, that's it for you guys. Right on, gonna wrap this down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on next one. Right on.